Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bitrue crypto trading platform on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. When you open it up, you can tap on the search button and now just type in Bitrue to begin your search. Once you find the Bitrue app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will now begin the download and installation of the Bitrue app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. Now that the application is opened up, you can tap on the start button and sign up for your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Bitrue platform right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bitrue crypto trading platform on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.